gosh.
All right, so this is the thrift store haul. There's a place near my house called Red, White, and Blue, and the hat I already had. But how's that for my new one?
Wow. Wait, let me scan you from
Body scan. All the way down.
Wow.
It's gonna keep my ankles warm almost.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the single-breasted one. This one looks like it was worn before it was used, but it's like really soft. And see?
Yeah.
The lining's good.
Yes.
There's no tag in it, so we don't know who made it, but it was supposed to be 24. She charged me 25. But it was half price. Everything with a white tag was 50% off. So I got that for $12.50. I didn't argue. This one's double-breasted. Also, black, and it's nice soft material. You can tell this one's going to attract someone. But this one has like the little, and it's double-breasted.
Very nice. Very nice.
Look, the lining, the pockets are still sewn shut.
Nice.
I don't think nobody's ever worn this jacket.
Let me feel it.
Look at it.
Oh, it feels nice. Yeah.
You just want to like hug me, like
yes,
snuggle up with me?
I do.
Yeah.
We're on camera, dear. So let's keep it.
It's like wearing a cape, right?
Yes.
And here's the brand on this. It's wood and wool and cashmere. This is wool and
oh my gosh.
This is cash. Are you kidding me?
That's nice. How
this
much
was
was that
also
one?
$12.50.
Wow.
Are you sure you can see me? It's too dark in here.
I got you.
This is the steal, though. This was the first one I saw.
How many did you get?
This was just 3.
Nice.
This is the steal, because look at this. It's not as heavy as the other ones, which is why I got these, because these, it's going to go down to like 12 degrees here in a couple days. But this one looks like a suit.
Wow.
Doesn't it?
Yes.
Double-breasted suit.
Fancy.
Well, it's single-breasted, I'm sorry.
Let me feel.
This is like...
Oh, that's nice.
It's like a nice wool, but it's like a... You wear this in like 40-degree weather.
I love it.
And it looks like you don't have to wear a suit jacket, right?
Yes, it's beautiful.
And this costs $6.
No way.
$6.
That looks brand new.
It was $12 and then half price.
Wow.
50% off of that. I
That
know.
looks brand new.
Oh, wait. And somebody left a Tic Tac in the
Oh,
pocket.
geez.
Isn't that great?
Don't eat it.
Grant...
Please don't eat it.
Gerald Austin from Great Britain, London, New York.
Geez. It's probably a British Tic Tac, too.
Bond Street. Yeah,
Nice.
right. Like this was from Bond Street. That's like Savile Row, Bond Street. That's where the tailors are.
That's very nice.
I
like
know.
It. I
So
like
this
it.
one's obviously been used. Do a Tic Tac for you.
Oh, thank you.
But the other one is brand new.
I don't want you
So all this for $31.
eating. Oh,
You can't
such
even
a
go to
deal.
like, I know you can't buy a jacket for $31.
Such a deal.
What a steal.
But you did a great job, though, because you do know what quality is as well.
And I bought them a little bit big because I'm going to have like, sweater on underneath or something. Or maybe like even a suit jacket.
Yes. Do you need any gloves and such like such?
I do. I need more gloves.
So we're going to get you some gloves.
We'll get some gloves for Christmas.
Okay. All right. All right.
And that was my fashion haul from the Red, White, and Blue.
I love it.
$31, 3 jackets.
You did a great job.
Thanks.